Our philosophy is that we want people to be able to come in for anything from an eye exam to eye surgery. We're affiliated with all the specialists in town for all the different surgical procedures. We provide primary eye care, eye exams, contact lenses, glasses. We want to pretty much be a one-stop shop.
We're always available to take care of patients in emergency situations and offer them the highest quality products and services. I've come to the office on Sundays to see patients who are in pain that didn't want to have to go to the emergency room, and we were available holidays. I saw a patient recently on New Year's Day who was having concerns of potential retinal detachments, and were able to see her son and daughter-in-law brought her in, and they were very pleased that we were able to offer that service.
What really makes us stand out is the wide variety of services that we offer and the level of patient care that we offer to our patients. The area that our office most serves is the O'Fallon area. We also branch out to a little bit more north, the St. Paul and Troy areas also.